Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Jack. Jack was a kind and helpful child, but he had a problem. He had a tendency to tell lies, big or small, to avoid getting into trouble or to get what he wanted. One day, Jack's teacher gave him a test, and he didn't do very well. He thought if he told his teacher that he had studied hard and couldn't understand why he did so poorly, she would feel sorry for him and give him a better grade. So, he lied and said he had studied all night for the test. The teacher looked at him with suspicion but decided to give him the benefit of the doubt. However, later that day, another student came forward and told the teacher that Jack had been playing video games all night instead of studying. The teacher was disappointed in Jack and called him into her office. Jack was nervous as he walked into the office, but he knew he had to be honest. He told the truth and admitted that he had not studied and had played video games instead. The teacher was surprised by his honesty and praised him for it. From that day on, Jack made a conscious effort to always tell the truth, no matter how difficult it may be. He learned that honesty is always the best policy, even if it means admitting to making mistakes or facing the consequences of his actions. As he grew up, Jack's honesty earned him the respect of his friends and family. He became known as someone who could always be trusted to tell the truth, and his reputation preceded him wherever he went. In the end, Jack realized that being honest not only made him a better person but also brought him peace of mind and a clear conscience. He knew that honesty was a valuable trait that would serve him well throughout his life. A must-watch from Dare to Do. Please leave a comment and tell me what you think. Thank you so much for watching and stay blessed.